Welcome to a joyful introduction to punch needle crafting with the SPINNY Punch Needle Kit that includes 2 large floral designs and everything beginners need to create beautiful embroidery. This complete kit features a beginner-friendly punch needle, adjustable hoops, monk cloth fabric, vibrant yarn, and clear step-by-step instructions along with exclusive video tutorials to guide you from novice to confident artist. Unlike generic kits, it offers 2 charming floral patterns that come to life with every stitch, perfect for elegant decor or thoughtful gifts. Crafted for beginners but loved by all skill levels, this kit ensures easy setup and smooth stitching with premium tools. It also serves as a therapeutic art experience, providing a relaxing, screen-free escape for adults craving calm and creativity. Packaged beautifully, it makes an ideal gift for women who enjoy crafting or want to learn a new skill. Join thousands discovering the addictive fun of punch needle embroidery with this simple, satisfying, and stunning starter kit. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.